Hi folks, this is Pinky Q. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna bring you with me to a nail salon experience, and today we're gonna do the fabulous Kylie Jenner nails. Instead of paying a lot of money considering how rich she is, actually we're just gonna pay under 100 bucks and do the fabulous leopard pattern she just posted recently. So I'm very excited about it, and let's see how does the result turns out. Actually, I just started going to the nail salon a couple months ago, and I immediately fell in love with that. The fact that you can get your nails done so perfectly, and the best part for me is the current artist I work with, she can almost achieve my vision every time. I usually got the inspirations from online or social media, and I just send her the pictures a couple days before our appointment, and she would let me know if she could do it. Most of the time she will say, yeah, just come and I will achieve that. Every time I'm so obsessed with the results. Today we're gonna try another challenge. Actually, I feel like every time I bring her a new challenge, because I always want some very special extra patterns. I want to film a video of nail spa experience, because I know a lot of girls are like me before, like always worry about is it the process will be painful, or is it cost a lot of money, or like is it take so long. So today I want to film a video to let you know what the experience like, and also encourage you to try it, because after I try this I just get so obsessed and I just couldn't stop, you know, like every time I'm so excited to try some new nail styles. And make sure you watch until the end of the video to see how does the result turn out. So the current one I have was also done by them, and it was definitely a challenge. So as you can see, it has all the different fashion patterns, which is zebra and a polka dot, and also here is a little, you know, as you can see, it's a little Playboy, so cute, like pink Playboy. And this one is like zebra pattern too. So this is done by T&A Nails, and it's so amazing. Everyone sees this, it's like, oh my god, your nails look so perfect, it's so fabulous. I'm like, yeah. And actually I just looked for the picture from online, and also I really love the different patterns, and I changed a little bit details. Like for example, this one was not a Playboy, but I requested to have this because at that time I was so obsessed with Playboy, those classic. You know, every time when we put this gel and then I put it under the light, it hurts. Yeah, sometimes I couldn't stand even. I'm just so obsessed with this new nails. And like Tina is definitely so talented. She almost finished this nails like flawlessly. And even though it's like a Kylie Jenner inspired nails, but we did do something different. So the first thing is like this natural nail part. I pick a little bit more pinkier color instead of more like a skin tone or more kind of a brown, but I want it to be cuter, so I pick it more pinkier. And also the other difference is like for the natural nail shape, I put it more like a pointing, like because I feel like it's more elegant this way. So yeah, so like it's like a little bit different, but I'm happy about it because we don't have to copy exactly the same of what they do. And yeah, I'm just so happy right now. And then it's like, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. So the reason why I want to do this video is also because I'm also new to this kind of experience. And also I want to let other girls know how does it feel like, because I have some friends who never tried those kind of fancy pattern nail style. They're just worried about money, like worried about if it's like painful or if it's like take too much time. So today it only takes like 1.5 hours. So Tina is just can do things so efficiently and so perfectly. So I'm so happy about this, and I want to share with you. Like, I also encourage you to try, even though it's a little bit money, but I do it every month. And I feel like if you can design your own nails, that's like super cool.